to walk down here and find out everybody's standing in a group over there because I don't know if you're ready or not, okay? That's the reason I do that. I want to keep everybody together. It's not fair that they get halfway around the field before we even start the game because then the other side is advantage. They start together in groups and we all start together in groups. Everybody okay with that? Yeah. Even if I'm not repping, I'd like everybody to be here in a group every time we start on this field, alright? Okay, give us a minute here, we'll get the game started. You guys ready to play? Everybody reloaded, ready to go, right? Yeah. Okay. Is there anybody up in the sniper tower? Is there anybody else up there?
Nah.
Okay, guys, when you go up the sniper tower, don't use this stairway. Regardless of what the park manager might have done in the game tonight, I mean, you guys can go up this stairway only, okay? But you can't go up there now, okay? You guys have to start over here first. Claire, you can't go up there. You walk off. What do you think? You got a little ticked off at me, but I told you not to.
Bacalao, eh.
Come on, guys, you're gravitating the wrong way. Say it again, right?
That's game. I think the whistle, no?
Is that game or what?
Didn't you say game?
Yeah, it's game. Everybody welcome back.
That's game.